Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall the Opera web browser from your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the Settings gear button, and you want to select the Apps tile, and then you select where it says See All Apps. Scroll down and select Opera, and then select Uninstall. If you want to uninstall the app, select OK, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.